Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin today's session. The first question is, what does Article 14 of the Constitution of India guarantee? Right to freedom of speech, right to property, equality before law, right to form associations. The correct answer is option C, equality before law. Recently, in the Arunachalam P versus Director General CISF case, the Delhi High Court has held that the doctrine of equality shall be applied to the punishments across different forces under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Article 14 guarantees equality before the law and equal protection of the law to all persons within India. Next, under which section of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 is judicial intervention in arbitral awards restricted? Section 34, Section 5, Section 9 or Section 20? The correct answer is option B, Section 5. Recently, in the case of State of Rajasthan versus Messrs. Leeladhar Devkinandan, the Rajasthan High Court held that courts have limited scope of interference to the arbitral award. Section 5 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 restricts judicial intervention in arbitral awards. The section mandates that courts should not intervene unless specifically allowed by the Act. Next, which section of Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 deals with the official communications? Section 120, Section 121, Section 130 or Section 129? The correct answer is option C, Section 130. As per the Section 130 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, no public officer shall be compelled to disclose communications made to him in official confidence when he considers that the public interest would suffer by the disclosure. Next, in the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, which section deals with examination of witnesses? Section 142, Section 143, Section 144 or Section 145? The correct answer is option A, Section 142. Section 142 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 deals with the examination of witnesses. The last question is, the test for determining bias is known as civil liability test, criminal liability test, reasonable likelihood test or collective responsibility test. The correct answer is option C, reasonable likelihood test. Reasonable likelihood test of bias is a test where the test is whether a reasonable man might apprehend that the tribunal may not be impartial or unbiased. Before we wrap up, here's a question for you. Writ of prohibition cannot be issued against executive body, judicial body, quasi-judicial body, or none of the above. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for more such content.